Recorder. I'm recording in 1080p now. I want to see how long the battery will last. And
Yeah, what was it like? 4K?
no, 2.8 at 60, and I was getting I'd get 2 hours out of the memory card and an hour each out of the battery.
You've got to freaking, break it down.
Well, the thing is, when you download it to YouTube, it's 1080p anyway. You know how I thought I'd be closer to this place than you guys?
Yeah.
Can you get off that trampoline, please? I looked at
The
it.
tractor there?
It's 20 minutes for you guys to get here and 20 minutes for me to get here.
Yeah.
It's exactly halfway.
It says Wookiees, mate. Alright, need a rest now.
I don't think you need a rain jacket. I've got a rain jacket in my bum bag.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just bought those ones from Kmart.
You can fucking put in a little bag.
Yeah, and these fold up, stick in your bum bag.
Mine, somewhere around.
Well, bloody Frank, still got mine.
Oh, yeah.
From when he went swimming in the Yarra.
Something here.
Hey? Yeah, something dead. Or maybe that's just because you're in front of Deegan.
Yeah, I know.
We used to come here a fair bit, remember Nico?
You did, yeah. It's nice and close.
He's got it dialed. Gonna go left up the top. Yeah, left.
It's like a little run from here.
No, you wouldn't. Yeah.
On the way back, it's all downhill.
We've got to get up to go down. Bloody kids lead the way. Yeah, no, it'd be awesome to see the planes come in
Yeah.
and land that runway. There's an old homestead, Sharif, just on the other side of this hill.
Yeah.
All ruins.
It's alright at 135. My heart. I'm good. Last week, no, dirt bike riding. First 5 minutes I come off on a slippery downhill.
Yeah.
Almost hyperextended my shoulder. Then it was when it came uphill. I got stuck on this rock face. It's slippery as all hell. Had to go sideways on it. To get the bike out of there, I ended up walking it up and out. That'll help me towards the end. I was at 180 something beats per minute.
Yeah, you were bouncing off the fucking
I
roof.
had to take the gear off because felt like I was going to pass out or something.
Yeah, I know that feeling.
But that was the first 10 minutes in the ride. Come good later on.
That's my problem. I
Yeah,
always die in the first section.
that's it. Like at first, like after half an hour riding, dialed right in, and
Yeah, you just feel like you can keep going.
it's like, what happened before? It's like, how'd that happen?
Oh, it's that fucking first warm up.
Yeah.
Especially when you're doing all that fucking hill. Look at that technology, yeah.
Oh,
I want to get some carbon fibre. So.
Is that?
yeah, he's looking at an Anthem.
Oh yeah.
So a little bit less travel on these.
You don't need the travel.
Anthem Advanced.
We don't need 120 mil. Really. We're not going to be jumping them.
Well, these have got 140.
Are they 140?
The Anthems, I think, 120.
120? This is 120.
Yeah,
Same with that.
and we did fine with those for ages.
Oh, we did extreme stuff with this stuff.
Yeah.
With these bikes.
Oh, let's go and have some fun, boys.
That's it.
I don't care if you want.
Can't get
You ready? Hell no, we're left for dead. All right. We got everyone? Yep. Go, Deeks. Oh yeah, it's a long one. Goes for a while. Stay left, Egan, that's it.
Sorry.
Wonder how Sharif's going. It's good when you can just plough.
Yeah.
Are they all coming? Apart from Sharif.
Yeah.
How was that? Did you feel anything?
Not with that. I was jumping most of the time.
You're jumping?
Yeah.
Just get your rear shock for a second. Yeah, that's all right.
Oh, the travel.
You could probably afford to lose a little bit of pressure.
Why, isn't it going down enough?
Not,
No, it's not going down at all.
he's not using all the treble. He's using,
Down fast.
no, not by much.
You have to be quick.
Well, I didn't feel nothing, man. We were just plowing. How good's that? Now apparently this takes you to Mooney Ponds, this track.
Okay, so it follows the creek. Okay, you see how past my joint? It ends up down there.
We've never been past here. We sort of got to here and turned around and went the other way. But I'm wondering if it'll loop back around. Hey Nick, he's flying. So I think that gets another way to Greenvale.
Yeah, because now we're following to the
That's the top of Greenvale.
Yeah.
Or what are they called? Aiken? Or not Aiken, Atwood.
Just go all the way around to the right.
Well, I'm hoping we can take the creek and go back around to the airport. As I said, I haven't been this way. Well, it looks like there's a track down there. Hey? That one looks fun.
Yeah. You drop it down to the smallest one on the front. He's flying.
Hey?
Oh, you did? No, you haven't. Not in the front. The left one. Pull it with your finger, not your thumb. That didn't change. Might back off a little.
Geez, you're not even in the lowest gear, I am. I want to go downhill. Let's go do the downhill.